Alright, to start this emoji, we're going to draw a circle with whatever circular object you can find. Usually I draw all my guidelines at the beginning, but what I'm going to do now is draw guidelines as I go. So the first guideline I'm going to draw is straight down the middle. So now I'm going to start with the mouth. To do that, I'm going to mark out some key points for the mouth and then draw one horizontal guideline for the top of the mouth. So now I'm marking the edges of the mouth so we can kind of connect the dots. So I'm using the two dots on the guideline and the bottom dot to make a curve for the bottom of the mouth. We have to extend our curve a little past those dots we made because the top of the mouth is not perfectly straight. It's actually a little curved, so extending will let us make a smooth curve. Now we're going to start adding in some of our other guidelines. I'm making a little mark here, and then I'm going to use a ruler to make a guideline to mark the bottom of our hearts. I'm also making one final guideline to mark the top of our hearts as well. Now the way I'm drawing these hearts is a little weird. I'm going to start with the inside of one heart and draw it out. Then, instead of completing that heart, I'm going to draw the inside of the other heart on the opposite side so that both the heart eyes are symmetrical. Then I'm going to complete the other sides of the hearts. These sides are going to be a little lower than the other sides because the heart eyes are a little tilted on the emoji. By the way, let me know in the comments whether you guys like me leaving some of the drawing parts in real time or if you want me to speed it up. Now I'm going to take my Sharpie and outline everything we just drew. I am going to speed this part and the coloring part up a little so you guys don't have to waste time watching me outline everything. Okay, before we move on to coloring, I'm going to erase all the guidelines that we made. Now I'm going to take a yellow colored pencil and color in everything except the eyes and the mouth. And I'm pressing pretty hard with this colored pencil so that my color is really vibrant. Now I'm going to color in the eyes the same way with a red colored pencil. Okay, onto a tiny bit of shading. I'm using a brown colored pencil just to lightly go around the edges of the emoji. And now I'm going back with the yellow to blend the brown in. I'm also going to do the same exact thing with the eyes, taking the brown to shade a little bit and then going over it with the red again. The final step is to fill in the mouth with your Sharpie. And you're done! I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.